Rachel, and today I am back with another hair video for you guys. Today's company that we're going to be reviewing is Hairvivi. So as you guys know, Hairvivi is an amazing hair company. If you guys ever like DM me or ask me, my friends know, if you guys ask me where should I get a wig from, I'd 100% say Hairvivi. They customize the wig for you, they bleach the knots for you, and then this one that I have on today is the fake scalp method, which means you don't have to put a wig cap underneath. The one thing that I will say about Hairvivi that they've always done is had amazing packaging. The quality is amazing. They had a beautiful bow tied on it. I didn't even want to untie it until I got on camera. So this hair video is literally straight out of the box for you guys, just to show you guys how easy it is. Super beginner friendly, like super. I've noticed a lot of companies catching on to the fake scalp trend, and I do know that the very first video I ever saw of the fake scalp was Miss Precious Marie, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave her name on the screen, but that's the first person I ever saw do it. So I guess now other hair companies are doing their own version of it. Hopefully they're giving credit where it's due, but that's where I credit it to. This is their 2.0 version. I guess they came out with the version prior and people were saying that the cap underneath was a little too thick and then that they were worried about the longevity. So apparently they fixed it and you won't get as much wear and tear out of this one. I think they added another layer of whatever the cap that they use underneath is. I'm not sure of like the exact construction of it, but I will show you guys like the underneath and everything that came in the packaging and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I'll show you throughout me straightening my hair that you can literally part this any direction in a straight scalp. I have nothing underneath this. You guys will also see me put it on. I just have my hair out and the wig basically does everything else for me the way that they constructed it. Like I said, this is their fake scalp wig and mine is named Victoria, and this is just a straight textured 18-inch long wig. It's a natural color and it's 160% density on a medium cap. And yes, as you guys can see, the hair is so silky soft and it feels so healthy, and it low-key mimics African-American hair. It's not so silky to where it looks fake, but it's like really strong and thick but silky at the same time. It doesn't have like that super fake shine to it, which I love. If you guys want to see the part up close, and we're up close and personal, but I just want to show you guys the part. This is where the fake scalp starts, and then this is lace. As you guys can see, if you lift it up, it's lace. If I put it down, it's not. And this is not even glued, y'all, so if I were to glue this down, this lace would not even exist. So yeah, y'all, that's all the details on this wig. I'm super excited about this fake scalp. It's giving me scalp realness all the way, so it gets a 10 out of 10 from me so far. If you guys want to see how I put this wig on super quick, super fast, then just keep watching.
Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with the guys I sacrificed, cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I loved you, you were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. Yeah. It's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. All girl faces saying why, tears and eyes. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me, listening to friends. Now it's the end, and again, no reckoning without it. Damn, I loved you. You were my girl. You see, I thought the world of you, but you're so steady, baby. Yeah. It's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, cause I'ma be alright tonight. Boogie tonight, cause I'm honestly too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do anything on that does, and that's why. Oh yeah. That's how it's going down. Yo, after the night, yo. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's my nigga for real. Don't leave your girl around me. Oh no, you don't gotta go. I'ma be around tonight. You don't have to go. You ain't gotta go. I'm okay, girl. I'ma be around tonight. Going out with my nigga. Yeah. It's okay. I'm alright, girl. I'ma be around tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl. I'ma be around tonight. Alright, boogie tonight. 'Cause I'm actually too young of a guy to stay home waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do anything on that does. You don't have to party. Hey, girl. I'ma be alright tonight. It's okay, girl. It's okay. I'ma be alright tonight. It's okay, girl. I'ma be alright. I'm gonna do something. Hey, it's okay, girl. It's okay. I'ma be
Okay, y'all, that's all I have for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you guys check out this Victoria wig and all the fake scalp wigs on Hairvivi. And if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe, give me a huge thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!